Hey guys, hey, Labor Day.
You're done.
Happy Labor Day. Yeah, and guess what? My son-in-law's got me out the place he's staying to help put in some fence for, well, my sister-in-law. So, but anyway, hey, check this out. You know, I use that Quik Pull a lot, and I got this all set up here, ready to go. And I want to let you know that 9 times out of 10, whenever I'm pulling posts out the ground, that post is already gone. So when you see most of those Quik Pull videos, right, you're going to see those videos, the chain's already wrapped onto something other than the concrete set. I've had to dig a little bit out here, but check this out. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Here we go. All right. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Go, Lindy. Pull it out. Pull it out. Look at that. Look at that. Even this, huh? Okay, now hold on. Put it back up there.
Oh, I see how that works.
Pull it out again. Come on. Come on.
I see how that works.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. All right. Put it back down.
Back down.
Put it back down. Put it straight up. Put this handle straight up. There you go. Now pull it out some more.
John, you are such a good teacher.
Okay.
And that's,
now what you could do, yes, I know. Pull it, push it down. Now swing it around. Swing this around.
Oh.
You could.
What a great tool.
Excuse me, what did you say?
What a great tool.
Look up at the camera and tell me that.
What a great tool.
Yeah. So anyway, hey guys, you've seen it. The Quik Pull, man, it's simple. I had to dig out a little bit, but little thing Lindy here, my sister-in-law, she pulled it out by herself.
And right now my legs are kind of crippled, so that's doing pretty darn good.
So there you go, guys. So very rowdy. If you're listening and watching the video, you guys come up with a great tool. Kelly, keep up the salesmanship because you're rocking it, girl.
Oh, yeah.
Northwest Quik Pull, people.
I am impressed. I am totally impressed. Yeah, that blows my mind that I was able to do that. Totally blows my mind. Right on.
There you go, Rowdy.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
Thanks, John.
All right. Okay, so after Lindy got done pulling that post out, that post set, that concrete set, that had been probably about heavy as she was, if not heavier. But anyway, she got that out with no problem, see? And she was even impressed. And now, so anyway, with that being said, we got this post set here. So when we set that, it's all in line, you know. And so what we're going to end up doing is we're just going to tap into this. We're going to make it simple. We're going to take all this stuff out, and then we're going to put up a 2x6 little trellis here, you know, because she's small anyway. You know, you've seen how big she was. She's going to fit right through that trellis, no big deal. And then we're going to go ahead and tap onto the house just like it was before. Because why? Well, we got all these ornaments here. I mean, utilities, you know. We got gas coming down there. See the gas there, and chances are we're probably going to have to dig a post hole here. So in order to make it strong, we're just going to tap into the house like it was before. So anyway, yeah, John of Fix a Fence, just giving my sister-in-law a hand out here, you know, and Gresham. And but you know what, I just wanted to show Rowdy with Northwest Quik Pull what my sister-in-law did. That little thing, pulled that set out for you. All right, have a great day, keep smiling, happy Labor Day. Thanks for watching.